Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can find daily trending topics for YouTube in every category. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. To find daily trending topics for YouTube in every category, you can employ the following strategies. YouTube trending page. The YouTube trending page showcases the most popular and trending videos across different categories. Visit the trending page on YouTube to get insight into the current viral and trending content. You can filter the trending videos by region and see what's popular worldwide or within specific countries. Explore popular channels. Identify popular channels in your niche or category and analyze their recent videos. Look for patterns in their content and pay attention to the topics that are generating high engagement and views. You can subscribe to these channels or create a dedicated playlist to stay updated with their latest uploads. Utilize YouTube Analytics. If you have a YouTube channel, utilize the Analytics dashboard to gain insights into your own channel's performance and audience engagement. Identify videos that have performed well in terms of views, watch time, and audience retention. Analyze the topics, formats, and keywords used in those successful videos to get an idea of what resonates with your audience. Social media platforms. Monitor social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, and Reddit to discover popular discussions, memes, or trending topics. These platforms often reflect current events, viral content, and emerging trends that can be relevant for your YouTube content creation. Use Google Trends to explore the popularity of specific keywords or topics over time. You can identify rising trends and search queries that are currently on the upswing. This can provide insights into what people are searching for and interested in, helping you align your content with trending topics, news, and social media outlets. Keep up with the news website, blogs, and media outlets that cover topics related to your niche. Stay informed about the latest news, events, and developments that are relevant to the category. Incorporate these trending topics into your content to provide timely and valuable information to your viewers. YouTube search suggestion. When you start typing in the YouTube search bar, you'll notice autocomplete suggestions that reflect popular search queries. Pay attention to these suggestions as they can indicate popular topics and keywords that people are searching for on YouTube. Engage with the YouTube community. Interact with the viewers, read comments on your videos, and engage in discussions with your audience. Listen to their feedback, respond to their questions, and pay attention to their interests. This can provide valuable insights into the topics and content that your viewers are interested in, helping you to stay relevant and aligned with their preferences. Remember, it's important to balance trending topics with your own interest, expertise, and the preferences of your target audience. While it's beneficial to create content around trending topics, ensure that it aligns with your brand and delivers value to your viewers. By staying proactive, observant, and engaged with the YouTube community, you can consequently discover and create content around daily trending topics in every category. So that's how you can find daily trending topics for YouTube in every category. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.